Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best facial rollers that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kitsch Stainless Steel Ice Roller for soothing facial treatment. The Kitsch Stainless Steel Ice Roller is a high-quality tool that provides a cooling facial treatment to soothe puffiness, sore muscles, headaches, and skin irritation. It promotes blood circulation to reduce toxins and calm inflammation, resulting in a youthful-looking complexion. You can use it in the comfort of your own home or on the go. Each package includes one ergonomic and lightweight facial ice roller, making it a perfect gift for your loved ones. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Fronnor Ice Roller for face and eyes. The Fronnor Ice Roller offers a refreshing way to boost your skin's health. It improves blood flow, giving your complexion a natural and radiant glow while helping to reduce fine wrinkles. The cooling effect tightens your pores and eases puffiness, making your skin look calmer and less red. You can also use it with your favorite creams or oils to help your skin absorb nutrients better. Plus, this roller provides quick relief from headaches, muscle tension, and minor injuries by applying soothing cold therapy exactly where you need it. It's a handy tool for keeping your skin looking fresh and feeling relaxed. At number 3, we have the LATME Ice Roller. The LATME Ice Roller is a versatile facial roller that offers multiple benefits. It helps calm your skin by reducing puffiness and wrinkles, giving you a radiant and lifted face. With a smooth touch, it aids in better absorption of skincare products, promoting healthy-looking skin. By revitalizing your skin, it diminishes fine wrinkles and boosts circulation, leaving your skin with a natural glow. Additionally, it can relieve fatigue, reduce redness, and provide a soothing cold therapy for migraines, muscle pain, and minor injuries. At number 2, we have the BAIMEI Jade Roller and Gua Sha Set for skincare. The BAIMEI Jade Roller and Gua Sha Set provides a smooth, sturdy, cool feeling to energize your skin. The face roller helps to reduce facial puffiness, relieve muscle tension, and firm your skin. The Gua Sha tool can lift your skin, improve fine lines, and shape your jawline. To reduce morning puffiness and refresh your skin, you can keep the facial Jade Roller and Gua Sha in the fridge for about 10 minutes. The set is packaged in a beautiful gift box, and it is recommended to wash the skincare tools before and after each use. And finally, at number 1, we have the BAIMEI Jade Roller and Gua Sha for facial skincare. BAIMEI Jade Roller and Gua Sha Set is an at-home skincare tool made of rose quartz, which can reduce facial puffiness, relieve muscle tension, and help to shape your jawline. The smooth and sturdy rollers provide cooling and energize the skin, leaving it dewy and lifted. You can keep the tools in the fridge to reduce morning puffiness and get refreshed skin. It is recommended to wash the rollers before and after each use. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.